Hi, my name is A.V. Green and I'm with Nesta and Spencer Institute. Now, many of you have clients who want to have healthy alternatives to their favorite comfort foods. For instance, pasta. It's a typical food in an American diet. However, it's not the best choice. So today we're going to demonstrate an idea for an alternative to pasta. Two ideas I want to share with you. One is just to use exactly what we're going to do here, and the other is to wean your clients off of pasta by serving them half and half. And what we're doing is spiralized zucchini. Now, a spiralizer is a device that you can find easily on Amazon, Target, Walmart, or a gourmet cooking store. I've had my spiralizer for more than 5 years, and it still works great. So all I'm going to do, I'm taking a small piece of the zucchini. I'm going to apply some pressure here, and I'm just turning the knob, turning the dial. And what I end up with is beautiful zucchini spirals. I'm going to lift it up so you can see that. Beautiful zucchini spirals. Looks just like pasta, but way lower in calories and higher in health benefits and nutrients. Okay, so now I'm going to do that one more time. This is something that you can get your kids involved in as well. It's actually pretty fun. Beautiful. Now I've got a bowl of pasta. Check that out. I'm just going to add some fresh tomatoes that I've sauteed over here on the side, and I have a super healthy vegetarian meal. Wow, that looks really good. Now, a word of caution, the zucchini is very delicate, so you really don't need to put it on heat. You don't need to cook it at all. If you do, it's likely to start to fall apart. So if you do decide to do that, just make it real quick. Otherwise, you could just put your hot sauce on top and you have a beautiful dish of pasta, healthy comfort food. For more information on this topic, educational programs, certifications, and career training for coaches and trainers, visit nestacertified.com and spencerinstitute.com.